What is delta bilirubin or biliprotein? It is a fraction of conjugated bilirubin which reacts non-enzymatically and irreversibly but covalently to the albumin and called as delta bilirubin. It behaves like conjugated bilirubin and gives direct taste with DSA. Concentration is increased in case of cholecystitis, which is seen in persistent conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. It persists longer in circulation because of its slow elimination through the kidney or bile, which is due to its large size. It produces normal abnormal results during recovery phase of cholecystitis. The condition is called as persistent elevation of direct bilirubin. What is shunt bilirubin? Bilirubin derived from ineffective erythropoiesis is called as shunt bilirubin. This is a diagram showing patient suffering from jaundice. What is jaundice? Jaundice is yellow color of skin, nail beds, sclera, which is caused by deposition of bilirubin secondary to increased bilirubin in the blood, which is called as hyperbilirubinemia. Jaundice is not a disease, however, it is a sign of underlying disease. It is a clinical sign characterized by yellow discoloration of sclera, spleen, and mucosa due to deposition of bilirubin. Normal concentration of serum bilirubin is 0.2 to 0.8 milligram total bilirubin. Unconjugated bilirubin is 0.2 to 0.6 milligram and conjugated bilirubin is 0 to 0.2 milligram per dl. Means normal bilirubin, total bilirubin should be less than 1 milligram per dl. If the bilirubin level is more than 1 milligram per dl, it is called as hyperbilirubinemia. What is latent jaundice? Latent jaundice is the condition where bilirubin level is 1 to 2 milligram per dl, and overt jaundice is the condition when the bilirubin level is more than 2 milligram per dl. When bilirubin level exceeds 2 milligram per dl, it starts diffuse in the tissue and deposited. Mainly, it deposited in the elastic tissue, and the where elastic tissue concentration is more, the color of that part is becomes yellow. Means yellow discoloration of sclera, mucosa, and skin. Here the concentration of elastic tissue was more, so this show yellow discoloration, and the condition is called as jaundice or icterus. Bilirubin has greater affinity to bind with mucopolysaccharides. Now, classification of jaundice. On the basis of uh, different uh, different pathology, method of accumulation, the jaundice are of different types. Now, first we have to see on the basis of site of pathology, which is described by Rolleston and Macney. It is of three types: prehepatic jaundice or hemolytic jaundice, hepatic jaundice, which is also called as hepatocellular jaundice, posthepatic jaundice, which is called as obstructive jaundice. On the basis of method of accumulation, which is called as Rich's method, it is of two types: retention jaundice. In this condition, there is overproduction of bilirubin. It is also called as hemolytic jaundice. Regurgitation jaundice, when there is reflux of conjugated bilirubin in blood due to obstruction of biliary tract. It is also seen in obstructive jaundice. On the basis of biliary derivative in the urine, it is of two types: choleric jaundice, acholeric jaundice. In choleric jaundice, there is presence of bilirubin and bile salt in the urine. Choleric jaundice, presence of bile pigment in the urine, and it is also called as conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. In acholeric jaundice, bilirubin and bile salt are absent. It is also seen in unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Pathological classification of jaundice. If there is predominantly unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia, what are the conditions? Due to overproduction of bilirubin, and the cause of overproduction is due to hemolysis. Second, due to decreased unconjugated bilirubin clearance, and this is seen in hereditary UDP glucuronide transferase abnormalities like in Gilbert syndrome, Klinger-Nazar syndrome. Second is due to physiological immature UDP glucuronide transferase. It is seen in neonatal jaundice. Third one is acquired UDP glucuronide transferase enzyme deficiency. It is seen in hepatitis, cirrhosis, chloramphenicol inhibition, breast milk jaundice. Third, reduced hepatic uptake, some form of Gilbert syndrome or flavospadic acid. Predominantly conjugated hyperbilirubinemia is previously we see as predominantly unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Second, predominantly conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, which is seen in impaired hepatic excretion. If there is any defect in MRP2 protein, like in familiar hereditary Dubin-Johnson syndrome or Rotor syndrome, acquired condition like damage to hepatocytes or any obstruction or decreased excretion, for example in hepatitis, cirrhosis, oral contraceptive pills, chlorpromazine ingestion, and alcoholic liver diseases. Extrahepatic biliary obstruction, like intraductal, means in duct there is obstruction in the duct like gallstone, biliary malformation, or any infection like Clonorchis sinensis infection. Some pathology outside the biliary tract like compression of biliary tract as seen in malignancy of pancreatic head or enlarged lymph node of porta hepatis. Now individually we'll learn different type of jaundice like hemolytic jaundice. What are the causes of hemolytic jaundice? What are the mechanism of increased degradation of heme or biochemical finding? Biochemical finding, we are seeing that the condition, normal condition, serum bilirubin is 0.2 to 0.8 milligram per dl, and bilirubin is absent in the urine. Urobilin is present in the urine, and color of stool is brown. But in hemolytic jaundice, the serum bilirubin is 3 to 5 milligram per dl, indirect increase, and bilirubin in the urine is absent, but urobilin in the urine is present, and color of the stool is dark brown due to presence of stercobilin. Serum LDH level is elevated, but SGPT, SGOT, ALP or gamma glutyl transferase is normal. Now what happens? The heme is converted to bilirubin, and bilirubin is converted, heme is converted to biliverdin, and biliverdin is converted to bilirubin in reticuloendothelial system. This bilirubin comes in the blood, bonds with the albumin, and this albumin bound bilirubin comes to the liver. In liver, the bilirubin is conjugated, and this conjugated bilirubin released in the bile duct goes to the intestine and form urobilinogen by the action of intestinal bacteria beta glucosidase, and urobilinogen is converted into urobilin and excreted with the urine. It is a pre-hepatic jaundice in which there is destruction of RBC and unconjugated bilirubin is increased. This unconjugated bilirubin goes to the intestine, and the conjugation of bilirubin occurs, and this bilirubin converted into urobilinogen and released in the urine and